vibes, fam. Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Literally, welcome back. Today I'll be making some oxtail in coconut milk, and if you know anything about me, you know I love me some oxtail. So yes, here are our ingredients that we will be using. Look at pretty oxtail. So here I have 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, half tablespoon salt or add salt to taste, 3 tablespoons oxtail seasoning, you can use 4, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, don't leave it out, and 3 tablespoons blended seasoning. Now this is onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, bell pepper, ginger, all the works. So here I'm adding a little bit of browning, just a little bit more than normal, right? I always show you the other way where I caramelize the sugar, but yes, this way I'm showing you with the browning. So I'm adding a little bit more than normal because I will be using some coconut milk, right? So here it is all done, and I season my oxtail the day before. You get better results that way. So here I added 1 tablespoon of oil, right? Don't add any more than that, vibes fam. And now we're going to sear the oxtail. So this is basically us sealing the brown on the oxtail, right? So just stir it until it looks a little bit cookish, right? We're sealing in that brown, and then normally I would cover it for 10 minutes after and let the natural juice come forth by itself, but here I'm gonna push it to the side and add 1 tablespoon of water. So I'm just showing you another way that you can let the natural juices come forth and still it's really good. So we're gonna cover that now for 10 minutes and then leave it, let it do what it do with the natural juices coming forth. So 10 minutes. So here I'm combining 1 cup of coconut milk and about 600 ml of water. You guys see how that juice just nice and juicy and thick and looks so good, right? Awesome. Look at that. So for the water, vibes fam, just add enough water that will cover your oxtail when you pour the water in the pot, right? Or at least almost cover it, right? So the 1 cup of coconut milk, but I mostly use the clear part of the milk. I could separate mine, but if you can't, that's fine. I added 2 cloves of garlic and some pimento seed. Cover that for an hour. Okay, so here are my ingredients that I will be using. The rest of them, beautiful. So this is my oxtail after around 10 minutes. So I added onion, half of each of those bell peppers, scallion, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some thyme. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix those in, right? Just combine everything together. And oh, I need to show you guys how nice and soft this is. So I said this is after an hour and 10 minutes. I did to show you guys like how look there, look how the fork just go through that oxtail. So you can imagine when it cook a little bit more, fall off the bone. Okay, vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna push that to the side, and here I'm adding 400 ml of coconut milk. Yes, and give that a little stir, and we are gonna cover this for 10 minutes. Coconut milk only need 20 minutes really to cook, right? But yeah, 10 minutes, cover it, and la 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 la. I am so excited. Vibes up, this tastes so good. So yeah, you want to, I'm not gonna really shake it up much, right? Not using the spoon to touch up, because as you can see, it's already nice and soft. Nice and soft, like it is there, almost there, right? Almost perfect. So 10 minutes. Vibes, fam. At this point, your kitchen is smelling aromatically delicious. So yeah, give that a little stir and taste it too and see if your oxtail need anything, as in like some salt or whatever. Mine didn't need anything, well, except some pimento powder. So here I'm adding it. Give it a wee little twist with a little spoon, right? And then you can taste again and see. It was perfect, so I added a whole carrot that I chopped up and 1 can of butter bean. This is where you would add your spinners if you are the type that likes spinners in your oxtail, right? So yeah, and I added some black pepper, and then after this I'm gonna cover it for 10 minutes. Nice, 10 minutes. Vibes, fam, did you check out the bubblation of it all? Did you hear that? Did you hear how good it was sounding? So yeah, vibes, fam, now you're going to stir it up and you're going to taste and you're going to see if it needs anything else. Mine didn't. I was just all caught up in this niceness. My house is smelling good. The pot is looking good. So yeah, vibes, fam, this is it. So here I turn off the fire now. I know we're ready to serve. Look at niceness. A.K.A. oxtail, looking so good. Hey, carrots, and the carrot has a little crunch, right? It's nice and juicy. And vibes, fam, here we have it. Here we have it. A nice, delicious, juicy. No, seriously, run come. Everybody run come. You have to run come for this. You need to step to the front of the line, oxtail. Step right out into the video light. Because look at you glistening. You know you look good. Fall off the bone, oxtail. When I tell you, vibes, fam, this is good. I juked it and show you that it was nice and soft. So you can imagine, after it got 20 more minutes of coocation, listen, what is you talking about? It is so good. Vibes, fam, this recipe is magnifico. Can you spell it? But yeah, vibes, Sam, this is so good. Try it. If you've never tried oxtail in coconut milk, you need to run on. Go ahead and buy you some oxtail and get it done, right? I love me some oxtail. I know it's expensive, but listen, I love it to the point where no matter how much, I'm gonna buy it. But yeah, vibes, Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.